standing outside Dubai Bowling Center, which is a really famous like bowling place in Dubai. Guess who showed up half an hour late? Sorry. Hello. It's a Saturday weekend. Your girl is standing outside Dubai Bowling Center, which is a really famous like bowling place in Dubai. So yeah, we're gonna go bowling. I'm shit at bowling, I won't lie, but it's still a great place to have fun, and a lot of like teenagers and kids in Dubai, we come around here.
The exact location is basically Al Quoz 1 on Meydan Road, and the rates range from 114 dirhams to 225 dirhams per lane, but there are 5 people allowed in a lane, so if you split by 5, it's pretty reasonable.
I love this machine. There's a ton of arcade games as well around here, so it's a whole fun area to be in. It's not just like bowling, you can also come here and play tons of arcade games, also some adventure shit, like, you know, those like swinging things that you can go, yeah, they have that too. Oop, there's another side. Yeah, the arcade games don't end. So a lot of people confuse DBC with DIBC. They're actually two different bowling centers. Both are great, both are fun. Or just for fun, with friends, family, date night, whatever it is. There's a booth place. $12 booth. I'm gonna do that today.
There's also a cute little pizza area there where you can get ice cream, popcorn, cookies, pizza, whatever you want. And they can also bring it directly to your bowling lane too.
Brownie review. It's soft. Chocolate is chocolate. Not that great, but not that bad either. It's like decent.
Reba and Hanu are really late, and they had to start the time because we booked it at that time, so now I'm playing on my own. I'm playing for everybody.
We got our names on the board.
I'm playing for everybody.
Because we booked it at 2:30 and they're really strict about the timings because they have other slots right after. So if you feel like you're gonna be late, like book it late because they will start your time. So I paid and I'm waiting now. I'm gonna play on my own.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Guess who showed up half an hour late? Sorry. Guess who showed up half an hour late? It's your turn.
So I don't really have any videos of me bowling from this day, but I did go bowling another day. But yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.